Welcome everybody to the Knowledge Series. We're going to be doing several articles and blogs and videos on these 9 activities within Archibus. We believe that Archibus is a single platform that can actually take any disaster from beginning to end, from identification all the way through reoccupation of a site or a building. And with that, I have with us the Workplace Maven Alliance, which consists of Infinaris, Online FM, Robotech, CAD Solutions, IMS Consulting, RSC, and all 5 of us are certified Archibus business partners. This infographic shows us the 9 modules or activities within Archibus that we believe can provide probably the only solution in the world that can take a disaster from beginning to end, starting with 1 all the way through 9. One of the great additions to Archibus about a decade ago was the project management module. And many people thought that the project management module was a replacement for Microsoft Project. And while the project management module has the capabilities that Microsoft Project has, it actually has 2 or 3 other areas in it that make it a lot more robust than Microsoft Project. And those are that you can actually set up bid packages and send them out to contractors. So should the COVID-19 require you to do tenant improvements to your buildings or make changes in configurations, you can send this out to bid. You can collect the bids, you can analyze the bids, you can select either low bidder or most qualified bidder. You can then track the work in the Gantt charts and in the schedules, and those costs are then rolled up, and you can just totally manage from the beginning of an inception of these tenant improvements all the way through to the completion and reoccupation.
Project management shares information with the capital budgeting application within Archibus as well. So as you are going through the process of identifying a project, you are doing the detailed analysis of building out tasks, milestones, the team that's going to be supporting it, the costs associated, both the initial baseline costs and then the design costs as you then go through the approval and execution of a project. All that information can be tied back to a capital budget so that as you are identifying projects that need to be completed, especially those that might have high priority because they're related to the current pandemic, the application can help you identify those things that need to be handled first and the costs associated with them and how much budget then you would have remaining to tackle other projects. Another good integration point within the system is Archibus's ability to bring condition assessment projects in as well. So as you survey your facilities and you find deficiencies or issues that need to be resolved, and they may be related to the pandemic, they may not, but they can be bundled up into a project as well, go through the same budgeting process, and then be approved and executed through completion using the project management application.
Dan, you bring up a great point with project management and the assessment side. Something also that Archibus has is not just the condition assessment piece, but the environmental sustainability assessment and the clean building. So those are also opportunities you have to leverage the existing framework of Archibus to track incidents that might be related to COVID, might be related to something else that's not necessarily building equipment specific, but location specific, and roll up into project management. As we talked in the very beginning of this, Archibus being a single platform with 30+ applications, they all communicate within each other. There's so many other applications out on the market that can do multiple things, but they're doing it because they're integrating or connecting with other tools. Archibus is a one-stop shop for all intents and purposes that is one platform, multiple tools that communicate natively within itself. Thanks for being a part of this and allowing us to be a part of your day-to-day.